Today we have Mr. Sumit from Anil Nursery, Gujarat. Gir.
Hello.
This is location is Gir, right?
Yes, Gir Forest.
Gir Forest. So there are how many types of Kesar actually?
So actually there is original Gir Kesar, there is only one type.
One type.
So this is actually because of climate. This is the actual shape of Kesar mango.
Okay.
Okay, so all these, whichever you see here,
Uh-huh.
there are slight changes for multiple reasons. All
Okay.
mangoes won't have the same perfect shape. But we just consider this.
This is the typical shape.
This is the typical shape.
Typical shape of Kesar.
Okay, there is one jumbo as well, but
Okay.
it is quite different to Kesar.
That is
Many
quite different.
people call it jumbo kesar, but it is very different from
But the taste is
original
similar,
kesar. Taste is different.
which is similar.
It is little similar, but the sweetness of Gir Kesar is more.
Different.
Is more.
That
yeah.
is because of the soil or anything
No, it
else?
is actually a completely different species.
It's a different species. But the
Yes.
Kesar is a monoembryonic or polyembryonic?
Mono.
It's a monoembryonic only. So it is a different variety itself. You cannot call it, it's like a Kesar. It has a similar taste to Kesar, right?
Yeah,
And the shape.
yeah, jumbo kesar. It is actually bigger in size. So kesar is around 250 grams to 400, or maximum it can go up to 450, 500 grams.
500 grams.
But jumbo kesar, it will go from 400 to 900 grams.
So commercially it is more viable.
Commercially, it is not really practically, if you see, because the thing with jumbo is sometimes it will ripen from top and not properly ripen from the bottom.
Bottom,
But this
okay.
Gir Kesar, it will ripen completely perfectly, evenly it will ripen, and the other variety, it is 10 days late. As
10
compared
days
to
late.
this one.
Oh, okay.
So-
But the Gir Kesar have the geographical indication.
Yeah,
Not
Gir
for
Kesar
the
has geographical indication.
only for the Gir Kesar
For commercial purpose, we recommend original Gir Kesar only.
only.
And the signs, actually right now these whatever we are harvesting, these are all, we call them naturally ripened mangoes.
Naturally ripened. No
Yeah.
carbide, no ethylene
No
oxide.
carbide, no ethylene, nothing. This will ripen by themselves. So there are two things. One is ripened fruit and one is mature fruit.
Mature fruit.
These are mature fruits. So we have plucked them. They are right now, they are raw. But if you keep them in a non-AC room and cover it with some cloth, after around 5 to 6 days,
It
this
will
will
be-
start ripening naturally.
Okay.
Such type of mangoes, in Kesar, there are some signs. Like you can see, there is white powder.
White powder thing.
So this powder is natural
Natural. Okay.
on the fruit.
So when it is matured, the powder coating will be there.
Yeah, powder coating will be there. Plus, we need to see multiple signs. So
Okay.
you can see these small dots.
Small-
These dots, they become peculiar.
Peculiar.
These spots.
Okay. What about the color? When the color start to appear from the fruit itself?
For Kesar, sometimes it will turn yellow and sometimes it will remain green, but inside it is ripened.
Ripened.
Yeah.
Okay. It's all about the sunlight. Wherever it is getting more sunlight, the
Yeah.
red blush will come, right?
Not necessarily, because sunlight, it is with respect to the red colored ones.
Red colored
For
one.
Kesar, sometimes it will be yellow on the top,
Yellow on
but
the
many times even green one can be completely ripened.
Okay.
Even these shoulders, they will become plumpy.
Plumpy.
And
Okay.
this beak also will get filled.
Get
so
filled,
these are
okay.
the signs of a mature fruit.
Mature
so
fruit.
these type of fruit, even if it is raw, if you cut, the inside pulp will be yellow.
Yellow.
Yes, so that is a mature fruit. For a fruit which is not mature, which won't ripen naturally, if you cut, it will be white.
What is your favorite mango?
Sonpari.
Sunperi. We will go into Sunperi tomorrow. So we have a lot to discover in Anil Farms, Gir, Gujarat. Let's see, many of Sunperis are fruited, but Sunperis are light bearing,
Very
right?
light.
Very light bearing for the.
Because the mother plants are small.
Okay, okay. So we will continue tomorrow. See you.